Hey, Bree, guess what? We are live. We're continuing our Giving Tuesday Cinco de Mayo coverage. We're here with Patrick. How's it going this morning?
Doing good. How are you this morning?
Good, good. The sun is coming out. I think it's going to be a good day.
It is Cinco de Mayo. Hey, as long as I get some good Mexican food tonight, yes, it will be a great Cinco de Mayo.
I know. I've been planning my taco list for tonight. Where's your best taco place?
Well, Mojo's is our go-to. So we like those folks over there, and their food is phenomenal. So that's our go-to.
That's your go-to.
Yeah.
We like to switch it up, but they are celebrating an anniversary. I think this is their second year or third year to be open. So this is a good day to go celebrate with them.
It is. But we also like Garcia. Look, we love all Mexican food, really. So, but yeah.
Chips and guac, that's my go-to. I could eat that almost every day. Wouldn't be good for me, but I could eat that every day. You're a Franklin resident. Tell us about, you are with USI Insurance. Tell us about what you do there.
Yeah, so I live here. My family has lived here. My wife and I, Amy, since 2010, and have worked for full service insurance agency for those 10 and a half years. And then January 31st, we merged and joined forces with USI Insurance. So it's a new name to Middle Tennessee, but we're super excited, and I am over the commercial insurance department of our agency. And we have about 25 employees right there on the corner of 96 and Matt Catcher, right next to the fire station. The company's been here for 45 years. Paul Pratt Sr. founded it, and the Pratt brothers, John and Paul PJ Pratt, are still at USI as well, and they built it up. And I've been there 11 years, June 1. So.
Oh, wow. That's a long time.
Yeah.
Tell me what it looks like for insurance for businesses. What does that look like?
So we work with companies of all shapes and sizes, from restaurants to New York Stock Exchange traded financial institutions and we provide them with coverage, insurance. A lot of people don't think about it, but every business that operates, just like everyone has coverage for their home and their liability and their auto, businesses have to do the same thing. And so we work with our businesses and individuals and employee benefits to get everyone the coverage they need.
So I'm guessing right now during COVID-19, you've been pretty busy.
It has been. It's been fascinating. And and then on top of that, so this has been a really unique season for insurance. And because we had the tornado in Nashville, and then followed by, I guess a couple weeks later is when the safer at home, stay at home orders came through, and then the COVID-19, and then just this week we've had some severe weather as well. That tons of trees down across Williamson County right now, and a lot of property damage. So it's been a trying time, to say the least, for the insurance business and customers, really.
Yeah. So as a business, are they able to claim anything during COVID-19?
Yeah.
Make an insurance claim? How does that work?
It is an evolving situation. So we are working with our clients to, if they feel they have a claim, businesses to submit those claims to the carriers. There's a lot of case law that's yet to be determined. There are some coverages out there that might be able to respond, and that's our job as a broker, as an independent agent, is to help our clients navigate through all the different insurance companies that are out there and find the best coverage and with the right carrier. And so we're working with our carriers at the highest levels to figure out how those claims could possibly be paid and what, if any, coverage exists. It has been a slow process, as you can imagine. And then Congress has been involved in a lot of those discussions as well. And so it's some of the PPP, some of the work that Congress did have an impact on insurance and policies, and we're looking for, over the next few weeks, more clarity in what might be covered under a business policy. It's hard, it's tough times, and it's all brand new for all industries, including the insurance industry.
Yeah. I would think that's tough to navigate because it's all, like you said, brand new. We've never experienced this before.
Yeah. Yeah. So we're just doing our best. Some of the things we're able to do are have been connecting people to get, with bankers and get the PPP loans. Also making adjustments to policies. Policies are based on sales figures and payrolls. And so adjusting that to help businesses with cash flow. Another thing we've done is most every insurance company has said, all right, we're not going to cancel you if you don't pay for the month of April and May. So businesses and individuals not being able to be able to push that payment off until we get back open. That's something else the industry has done. And I don't know if you've seen it, but a lot of your home and auto carriers are giving people refunds. So
Yeah.
So it's been on a lot of commercials touting that. And so again, a lot of our customers are going to get those refund checks as well.
Since we're all at home.
Yeah. Right.
Same thing for at home. You've also been involved in the community. You were a part of the Franklin Rotary. Talk to us about, this is the first year they've ever had to cancel the rodeo. What was that like?
Yeah. So last year I was president during the 70th rodeo. It was a monumental year. Can you believe? I mean, 70 years
I
of
can't believe
a
it.
rodeo. It's what has really lasted 70 years, anywhere. And so we're super proud of, as a club, the Franklin Noon Club, of having that be our banner fundraiser. This year it was a tough decision, and I'll give all the props to our current leadership who navigated this. Valerie Clark is our president now, and she really did a great job now navigating this. But the county had to make tough calls really early on, and one of those was the rodeo, and that would have been held the third week in May. So that would have been coming up in the next couple of weeks. And as you know, I mean, it's just, there's no way we can get 5,000 people in an arena 3 nights in a row, 4 nights in a row. So yeah, that was really sad. A lot of there were tears. I mean, it was emotional for so many of us in the club. And so, yeah, we're not excited about that, but we are excited about next year. And we're talking about doing something in the fall. I was joking.
Okay.
I call it the 70 and a half rodeo.
And that's the thing. People celebrate like half birthdays.
Yeah. So do something just kind of to mark the year and have our own small, not professional rodeo like we normally put on, but something to, and our leadership in the club is working through that. So hopefully there'll be something when things open back up where we can, at least as a club, mark the year.
Yeah. In addition to the rodeo, it's always a great time to see a parade downtown Franklin.
Exactly. Yeah. So the parade everyone loves a parade. And so we're working with that, to try and figure that out. It's just so uncertain, But we do have the Great Americana Barbecue Festival, and that's at the end of August. It hasn't been canceled yet. We're still waiting to see what the guidance is from our local and state leaders on that. But hopefully we can do that.
Is this the 3rd year for that or 4th?
Ooh, man, I think it's the 4th.
Okay.
I think it's the 4th. Yeah. Yes, I think it is a 4th. So
that's a great event. It's always held at Harlansdale Farm. If you're a barbecue connoisseur, you can go taste all kinds of great things.
It's really good. Yeah, it's so much fun. And that's the park. I mean, Friends of Franklin Parks, I'm on the Harlansdale committee for them as well. And that park is just a jewel. If, that's something people need, I was over there yesterday. It's wide open, plenty of room to socially distance or physically distance.
Yeah.
People in blankets just out in the middle of a field. I mean, if you ever want to just go lay in a farm field, that's what you're doing at Harlansdale. And it's a crown jewel of the city in our park system for sure.
Yeah. And so close to downtown.
Yeah, it's great. So I love that. And that's why Barbecue Festival, we really love that event because it just gets to use such a beautiful, beautiful place that we have in the city.
Yeah. I love it as well. Anytime I can go there for any event, it's always a great day. Well, thanks for taking time out to talk to us. Tell us again where everybody can find more information if they're a small business and they need help right now.
Sure. If you would, we have, if you go to our website, fullserviceins.com or usi.com, and we actually have a page. It's called the USI Steer page, and it has up-to-date information about the guidance on regulations that comes out of Congress, any new developments out of Congress. We have detailed information about, like you asked, about coverage on policies, and it goes through each line of of coverage and where coverage could or possibly be found. And it's updated constantly with the latest information. So check out, you can Google USI Steer, STEER, and that'll get you there. And yeah, or they can reach us at 615-790-0990. And you'll be able to just give us a call directly, and I'll help you with whatever you need.
All right. Sounds great. Thanks again, Patrick. We will see you soon.
Appreciate it.
Bye.
Bye.